Can we comment on Instagram post with a photo? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if it is possible or not. So let's just get started. Let's open up the Instagram application first. And once we open up Instagram, we can see this particular interface right here once we are logged in. So you can head over to the post where you would like to comment with a picture attached to it. So let's say I have this post right here. So let's head over the comment section. So once you head over the comment section, you can see other people have also commented here, but we do not find an option where we are allowed to attach a picture yet. So when we go ahead and tap on this comment section, we do not have an option yet to attach a picture like we have in other applications, the new feature of attaching picture like on TikTok or Facebook. So we do not have that yet on Instagram. Instagram has not updated with that feature yet. So when we go to this sticker tab, we can create up an avatar and put up avatar reaction and do so, or we can even use GIFs instead of the picture. So let's say if I would like to use this emoji GIF right here, it's quite similar to the picture maybe we would like to upload, but if you're directly looking for an option dedicated to add up a picture, we do not have that yet. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful, and let's hope that Instagram quickly adds that feature to Instagram comment section as well. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.